Inflation is hitting everyone's wallet. Gas prices, groceries, rent. It feels like every time you turn around, the cost of living is going up. This relentless pressure is crushing the American middle class, leaving families feeling stressed and anxious. You work hard, but it still feels like you're falling behind. But here's the reality. Many smart Americans are fighting back, not by complaining, but by taking action and starting side hustles. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 side hustles that real people are using right now, not just to survive inflation, but to thrive. These are practical ways to create a new income stream and take back control of your financial future. Coming in at number 5, food and grocery delivery. The demand for convenience is at an all-time high, and you can capitalize on it. With platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart, you can turn your car or bike into a money-making machine. The barrier to entry is incredibly low. A reliable vehicle and a smartphone are all you need to get started. The biggest selling point? Absolute flexibility. You are your own boss. You decide when and how long you work. Many drivers earn an extra $200 to $500 a week just by working part-time during peak hours. That's a significant monthly boost that can go directly towards your financial goals, giving you much-needed breathing room in your budget. Next up, at number 4, monetizing your skills with online freelancing. Your professional expertise is a valuable commodity. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming marketplaces connecting talented freelancers with businesses all over the world. Are you a writer, a graphic designer, a social media guru, or a video editor? Whatever your talent, there's a market for it. You can start small, taking on projects in the evenings to build your portfolio and get positive reviews. As you gain experience, you can command higher rates and land long-term clients, bringing in hundreds or even thousands of dollars in extra income each month. This isn't just pocket money. It's about building an income stream that you own and control, all from the comfort of your home. Our number 3 side hustle is for the creatives, and it's a fantastic introduction to passive income. Print on demand on platforms like Etsy. Here's the model. You create a design, a funny slogan, a cool graphic, and upload it to a service like Printful or Printify. These services link to your online shop. When a customer buys your design on a t-shirt or a mug, the print-on-demand company automatically prints, packages, and ships it. You don't handle inventory or shipping. You just collect the profit. You literally make money while you sleep. The same create once, sell forever model applies to digital products like planners or templates. It takes creative effort up front, but a single popular design can generate income for years, providing a truly passive way to fight inflation. Moving on to number 2, we have the classic ride-sharing hustle with services like Uber and Lyft. This is perfect for those who enjoy driving and meeting new people. Like food delivery, the flexibility is a huge draw. You can turn the app on whenever you have a spare hour. Driving during morning and evening commutes, on weekend nights, or during major local events can be incredibly lucrative. Many drivers consistently earn between $20 and $30 an hour. By dedicating just a couple of evenings or a weekend day to driving, you can add a substantial amount to your monthly income, turning your car from a liability into an asset that generates on-demand cash flow. And finally, our number 1 side hustle is the most forward-thinking on our list: AI-powered hustles. Artificial intelligence tools are no longer science fiction. They are powerful assistants that can help you earn like never before. For example, use AI tools like ChatGPT to help you write articles or social media content for freelance clients at lightning speed. Use AI image generators like Midjourney to create unique logos or digital art to sell. Some are even building faceless YouTube channels where AI generates the scripts and voiceovers. The key here is leverage. AI allows you to multiply your output and offer services you might not have had the skills for before. It's about working smarter, not harder. This is the frontier of side hustles, and getting in now could set you up for incredible success. Now that we've covered the top 5, let's talk about the most important part, the mindset shift. Don't think of a side hustle as just extra cash. Think of it as your ticket out of financial stress. An extra $500 a month can be life-changing. That's enough to pay off a credit card, start an investment account, or build the emergency fund that lets you sleep at night. This isn't about getting rich overnight. The key is to start small and stay consistent. A few dedicated hours each week will compound over time. Your side hustle is a declaration that you are in charge of your financial destiny. It's you choosing action over anxiety. In America today, complaining about inflation won't pay your bills. Action will. You have the power to create your own economic stimulus package, 1 gig at a time. The opportunities are out there, more accessible than ever. You just have to choose one and start. So tell me in the comments, which side hustle are you ready to start this week? Thanks for watching.